If you've seen the term affiliate marketing everywhere and you're nodding along like you totally get it, when honestly, you're not 100% sure that you do, this one's for you. I'm Stephanie Oden, and if you're an introverted woman who wants to build residual income on the side without burning yourself out to get it, you're in the right place. This is Quiet Money Moves, and today we're talking about what affiliate marketing is and does it work if you're just starting out. No hype, no jargon, just the honest version. So here's what affiliate marketing is in plain English. You recommend something that you genuinely use, someone buys it through your link, and you earn a percentage on the sale. That's it. That's the whole model. You don't create the product, you don't handle payments, you don't deal with customer service, you don't chase anyone down to close a sale. Your job is not to chase, your job is to connect to the right person to the right product, honestly and specifically, and the company handles the rest. Now, the reason this works so well is because the income stream is leverage. You can create a piece of content once, a video, a post, an email. You can put your link in that. And every time someone watches that video or reads that post and clicks your link as it's something they want, there's a chance of you earning income. A piece of content that you create today can still generate commissions 2 years from now without you ever having to touch it again. That's what makes a difference. That's what makes it different from trading your time for dollars. You do the work and it keeps working for you. Now, here's the question everybody really wants answered. Does it actually work when you're starting out? Yes. But let me be real with you. It works slowly at first. Affiliate income scales with two things: one is trust and one is traffic. And both of these take time to build if you don't have already an audience of people who trust you. That's just the truth. Now, I'm not saying it needs to be a huge audience, and there are ways to get in front of people who are the right people that make it easier for them to trust you and get traffic. But I want to be realistic with you. The people consistently earning with their affiliate links, they didn't find some magic program. They have an audience around a specific topic. They showed up with honest recommendations and their content stacked up and momentum kicked in. Most beginners, I know you want to hear the fast, was it fast and furious? But I'm going to tell you because I've been around, I've seen a lot, I've done a lot, I've made mistakes, I've spent a lot, I've stopped and started a lot. I'm going to tell you, most beginners earn very little in the first few months. That's normal. That doesn't mean it's not working. It means the seeds haven't all sprouted yet. And the seeds that you plant now are the commissions that you'll continue to earn later. I know the timeline isn't what a lot of people want to hear, but it's real, right? And the money is real. One of the products that I use is a success app for entrepreneurs. It's a mindset, self-care success app for entrepreneurs. And it's all set up. And I earn 80% on when someone uses that product. The product costs $10. So, I was having a conversation with someone, and we talked about the 80% commission, and we talked about the fact that it was $10, but you earn 8. Well, you earn 8 and you don't have to go back and resell it. What actually makes affiliate marketing work, not in theory, in real life, is trust. When somebody finds your content, whether it's a video, a post, an email, and they tell you, they can tell that you're genuine. Like when I talk to people about my success app, my self-care app for entrepreneurs, I'm not recommending something that I haven't used. I'm recommending something because it actually helped me, not because I'm trying to make a quick buck. That's where connecting up with, hey, it's something that sincerely would be beneficial to the person. That's when the click happens. That's when the sale happens. A person that finds your content because they're already searching for a solution, they read it, they watch what you put out there, they click your link because it answers a question, that this is something that can help me where I am. And that person, they're more likely to buy from someone that they know than someone who just sees a random link dropped on a social media comment. Okay? They feel like they've got a relationship with you because you've invested. And that's why I mentioned building an audience, and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't even know what that is. Well, even a small one. If you have people that are connected to you in any capacity, that you've built up a trust currency with, a relationship with, that they trust you, that's part of the audience. Now, what you offer may not be for them, and it's okay because you can have a small audience. But having an audience makes affiliate marketing more effective. The right audience, people that trust you, people who relate to you, people who know you're not just selling. Yes, we are selling because there's a transfer that happens, but you're sharing something that you know actually works. So let me give you a couple of examples so that it doesn't feel so abstract, even though I mentioned the one app that I use. Wellness is one of the most natural affiliate categories out there because most people are looking for recommendations on how they can live longer, how they can be healthier, how they can be more flexible, more mobile, more agile. And they're searching for holistic options, essential oils, supplements, and things that support their emotional and their physical well-being. So when you share what you personally use and why it works, not because you talked someone into it, but because they were already looking for it and you gave them an honest answer. Same thing with digital tools and business products. If you're using a platform that helps you build your business, something like the tools inside the Home Business Academy, and you share your experience with it, that's not selling. That's telling someone what's working for you. And when they buy through your link, you earn a commission. That is that simple. The best affiliate recommendations don't feel like pitches. I don't like pitches. They feel like a friend saying, hey, I went to this new restaurant and I tried out their signature dish and I liked it. And here's where it is. It feels like, hey, I use this. It's great. And here's why. Or, hey, I heard you mention that this is something you're looking at. Here's what I use, and here's why. So, you may be asking and wondering, so how do you actually get started when you got zero experience? Like you spent life in like your whole world in the corporate environment, and now you're talking about getting into this affiliate marketing thing. And how do you do that? You don't have any experience to do that. I get that. I've been there. I started when I was working in corporate. Here's what I do. Step 1. Make a list of the products and services you already use and you really love. Don't talk about stuff that you don't like. I don't care what the payout structure is. Things that you would recommend even if you didn't get a commission. Step 2. Check to see if that company has an affiliate programs. Many of them do. Sign up, get your unique tracking link. Step 3. Start creating content that answers real questions your people are already asking. You don't need a big following to start. You need honest content built around solving problems, and your audience will grow from there. And step 4, I got to tell you this one too. This one matters. You have to disclose your affiliate relationships clearly. Like the FTC requires it. And honestly, I'm cool with that because it builds trust. Just a simple line like, this post contains affiliate links. If you purchase them, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. That's all it takes. Because that transparency isn't a liability, it's a credibility builder. And there is no step 5 that says wait until you feel ready, because feeling ready is a myth. Every person who's currently earning, myself included, who's currently earning affiliate income was once exactly where you are right now. They're watching, they were learning, they were wondering where to start. And the ones who are earning chose a start date. That's the real difference. Here's what I want you to walk away knowing: affiliate marketing is real and it works. It's one of the simplest business models out there, especially for introverts, especially for those that don't want to cold call or pressure sell or chase anybody down. I do not chase people down, but it's not instant. The people that are earning thousands a month from affiliate income, they didn't get there in 30 days. I don't care what program they try to sell you, they didn't get there in 30 days. They got there by being consistent with creating their content, building trust, and letting their recommendations compound over time so that people started to trust them and the recommendations. As you do that and your content starts to be out there because it doesn't go away, your audience connection deepens and your income grows, not from chasing individual sales, but from showing up and serving people over and over and over again. If you're just starting out, you're not behind. You're absolutely right on time. And that's a beautiful place to be, as long as you start. Because here's what's true about momentum: it doesn't build itself. Every moment, every week that you stay in research mode is a week that your future self doesn't have, that is setting you up for success. The women that are earning quietly right now, they started before they were sure. I started before I was sure. That's how I got sure. By the way, if what I just walked you through resonates and you want a system that actually puts this in practice for you, go check out the turnkey residual income system at introvertincomesystem.com. It's a done for you sales system. 80% of every dollar comes back to you, which means you can earn up to $128 a customer every single month residually. And you don't have to build a funnel or write emails or close the sale to get started. The system handles that part. The link is in the description below. Remember this: courage comes before confidence, movement before motivation. And your story is the next to start. I'll see you on the next one.